Welcome to the Pal demonstration of employee auto leave generation system. So here the main purpose of this project is, so when we switch on the kit, the timer will start and it will display on the LCD screen. So as we have programmed this for 25 seconds of duration. So if the employer, he or she places a fingerprint on this fingerprint scanner, then the system will accept as a present and the timer will be stops. If the person didn't place the finger on this fingerprint module before 25 seconds completion, then it will send the message alert to the employer. You should inform to the system about you are going to leave or late, means you are going to come in late or not. So if you send the leave message, means you are not going to come for that day, then the system will keep as absent and the timer will be stops. If you send the message of late, then 25 seconds more will be added to the timer, so that you can come late and you can put your finger as an attendance purpose. So here, if you forgot to send the message either leave or late, then it will consider the message your unintimated leave registered as a absent. Otherwise, if you send the late, then your request is wait time is added. So then it will add the time for the late time. So let us see demonstration. So we have interfaced the GSM model for message sending purpose and fingerprint scanner R307 for the fingerprint scanning and register the fingerprints using these two control buttons, E for erasing, S for E for enrolling. So here E for eraser, S for storing the fingerprints into the fingerprint module. So next LCD interface to the our Arduino Uno board pin number 227 for showing the status of the project, and whenever the wrong fingerprint placed, then this system will provide us an audible alert through this buzzer. So interfacing connections, buzzer at pin number 13, LCD pin number 227, and these two control buttons pin number 10 and 11, pin number 8 and 9 for the fingerprint module, GSM module pin number 0 and 1 of our Uno board. So before demonstration, we should keep the insert the valid SIM card into the GSM module. So like this, we should insert that in this manner. If you have the SIM card adapter, then insert that into this. The knot should be this side and place it gently and lock it. Okay, push to backward unlock, push to forward locking. And that particular SIM card should have SMS balance or main balance, and that we should use Airtel or VI or BSNL other than the Jio won't get the signal. So on the power supply to the system, you can see the welcome message, and then after finding the module, means GSM module, finding the network for the SIM card which you have inserted. Once we got the SIM card location, signal, then the system will entering into the operating mode. It will take maximum 10 to 20 seconds. If you didn't get the signal, then change the SIM card position properly. You should check that whether it is inserted properly or not. And off the power supply and on it again. Right. So now, after we got the signal, this particular green light will blink slowly. Initially it will blink very fast. So network found. Now the system is scanning. Right. Now the system is scanning and timer is running. So now if you want to store your finger, then first of all, see here the reset switch of our Uno board. You can press and hold this one. The program won't erase. Press and hold the switch first, then erase button and release the switch. Hold this switch erase button till you see the message of data erased. Till that, hold the reset switch, this erase switch. So just restart this and hold till you see the message of data erased. Right, data erased done successfully. Next, coming to the storing mode, press and hold this S button. Again, press and release this reset switch. Hold this switch till you see the message of fingerprint enrolling. Now please place the finger for enrolling. Place the finger, follow the messages on the LCD. Remove the finger. Place the same finger again. fingerprint stored at location 1. That's it. Now the fingerprint unlocking was successfully done. Now you can restart this one without any holding of this button. Just restart the system, then it will entering into the timer mode. I'm repeating, enroll button, erase button, hold, reset. Then the system will erase, store button, press and hold, reset. It will enter into the store mode. So now the timer will be run. Now it is running. So if I place the finger as attendance percentage, then you can see that ID found, access granted, and now the timer will stops. As of now, that we have programmed the system for only one employee. Now let us go with the wrong fingerprint. So finger not found, access denied, and you get the audible alert through the buzzer. Now wait for the 25 seconds of timer completes, then you will get the message alert to the registered phone number as an intimation of you should need information from the system. So we have placed the timer for initial 25 seconds for attendance percentage. Next 25 seconds again the system will wait for the reply from the employer. You should inform leave or late. If you send the late, another 25 seconds will be added. Total 75 seconds. First 25 main timer, next 25 waiting for the message, next 25 seconds if you send the message of late. Otherwise after 15 seconds completion it will indicate as your absent directly. Now you can send the message leave or late. See, I'm sending the leave. You can type any case sensitive. It's not a case sensitive. You send the message leave. No need of capital or no need of small letters. Once the message is received, you can see the message received on the LCD screen. That should be received before the time completes. Then only your leave or late will be considered. Otherwise it will considering as you're not in information. So on information, right? Luckily we got the message received and asking for leave, right? So because we send the message of leave, right? Your request for leave accepted. Now the system stops the attendance reading. So now let us go with the late. Just type late and keep it till you receive the message. You can send this particular leave or late message before intimation from the system also. If you send that message, then it will consider that particular leave or late and it will go on with the next operation. See, now I'm sending late without intimation from the system. Before system intimating me, I send the message of late to the SIM card which you have inserted into this GSM module. Based on your network, the system delays the message reading. If you use Airtel to Airtel, you will receive the messages within 5 to 6 seconds only. Right, message received. Right, waiting added as we have sent the message of late. Now the timer will runs for directly to the 75 seconds. So I am pausing the video for 75 seconds. Right, once the 75 seconds time completes, then unlock channel. Right, so it send the message of your grace period over, now registered as absent. So in this manner we are going to provide the auto leave generation by using GSM and fingerprint using Arduino module.